What's going on, guys? Back with the 2.4 dual overhead cam Chrysler motor. This is the non-turbo 1999 model. We've got a serious misfire from 3 and 4 cylinder, if you can hear it there. I've already got a fuel pump to put in this thing. The fuel pump's whining, the gas gauge is going everywhere, so I'm gonna go and put the fuel pump in it. Not sure if that's gonna fix our issue or not, but what I plan on doing next is trying some bars head seal. I've heard really good things about it. I believe we do have a head gasket leak here. I put some block seal in it just a little bit, and it actually helped with the misfire. So I'm gonna go on and do the head seal stuff, because this particular engine it's really hard to find a head for it. If you guys know any other heads that'll fit it besides a 99 and a 2000 Caravan,